Hello, my name is Jimmy and today we're going to check out this, the 2021 Genesis G80. And we're going to see exactly how well it can family by putting this, the Clek Liing, an infant seat, as well as a Clek Foonf, a convertible, and this baby Zen yo-yo. We're going to see how all of that fits inside the vehicle. So let's take a look. And welcome to the back seat of the G80. As you can see, I have the Foonf installed very nicely here on the passenger side, and I got the base for the Liing installed on the driver's side. There wasn't too much complications installing the seats. There's plenty of room on the top, as well as the seats themselves are low enough for me to install the seats. One thing I do have to note is while there are two lower anchors, one on the driver's side and one on the passenger side, they are a little bit tough to get to. They're just nestled right between the cushions itself. The upper anchors, that's not too difficult as they're just right behind the headrests. One thing I did do was disable the seating easy access that's available for both the driver and the passenger seat. So when the doors open, they don't automatically just slide back. But let me show you exactly how the Liing fits inside. To get the Liing in, it isn't too much of a challenge as there's plenty of headroom and the seat basis is low enough. And as you can see, it fits really nicely inside the cabin itself. And there's actually these little shades here to block out the sun, which is nice. Getting items into the trunk is nice and easy. With most Genesis, Hyundai, and Kia products, you just stand behind the trunk. In a few seconds, it automatically pops open. No need to kick or do anything like that. And there's plenty of room inside the trunk itself to carry all of whatever you need really in here. So a compact stroller like the baby Zen yo-yo, well, definitely not a problem at all. And that's exactly how the baby Zen yo-yo, Clek Liing, Clek Foonf all fits inside the Genesis G80. Can it family? Well, absolutely it can, as long as, well, it don't overload the vehicle itself. And I think that's really it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.